Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a referral code on Temu. Temu is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. Using a referral code can help you save even more money on your purchases. First, you need to have a Temu account. If you don't have one, sign up for free on the Temu website or mobile app. Once you have an account, you can start using referral codes. To use a referral code, start by shopping on Temu as you normally would. Browse through the various categories and select the products you want to purchase. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, look for the referral code field. This field is usually located below the order summary. Enter the referral code you have in the field provided. Make sure to enter the code correctly, as it is case sensitive. After entering the referral code, click the Apply button to redeem the code. If the code is valid, you will see the discount applied to your order. Review your order to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. Using a referral code on Temu is a great way to save money on your purchases. You can find referral codes on the Temu website, social media pages, or through email promotions. You can also share your own referral code with friends and family to earn rewards. When using a referral code, make sure to read the terms and conditions. Some codes may have expiration dates or be limited to specific products. By following these steps and using referral codes, you can enjoy discounts and rewards on Temu.